Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to open locked folder in Google Photos. So guys, let's continue into your Google Photos. And guys, to open a lock folder you need to enable the lock folder. So for that, select any photos you want. And guys, here you can see the low part. There are many options like shares, add to, deletes. So just here swipe right. And here you can see the option move to locked folder. So just tap on it. And now just tap on move. And guys, now just go to your library. And then tap on the utilities option. Now swipe down. And guys, at the last option, here you can find your locked folder. And that's how you can open locked folder in Google Photos very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.